So many projects need improvement. Why do we need improvement? Why do they fail? We'll see here, right? Each one does his own way, the job, right? Not knowing what is the project plan and what is the goal. So what should you have? Improve the communication among the people in different disciplines. Then only everyone will do with the goal in mind. What should you do then? Follow Six Sigma methodology. What is Six Sigma methodology? That is what we are going to teach you. And there are so many posts there. You may be one among them. You may fit in one among them, or you may go up. And all of you need. So that's why you don't have to read that. And Six Sigma hierarchy. So white belt is there. All you need to do is you should know the terms and understand the terms. Professor Gopal Shokumar is conducting a course. I think it is a free course. I think you will have a certificate. And you will remember the terms. You will understand the terms. You will become eligible to do the yellow belt. And you can confidently talk to others, even if they are a black belt. Right? And Six Sigma yellow belt, you can understand, you can respond to them. If they ask you a question, what is it? You must be in a position to confidently answer them. That you will do. And Six Sigma green belt, you must be in a position to apply and analyze. That is what you are going to learn at the end of this course. At the end of the course, you should understand the terms. You should know how to apply the tools and techniques and what are the tool techniques, and then analyze and then come to a conclusion. You should be in a position to make decisions. So this is what I'm insisting, that the Lean Six Sigma green belt benefits. And black belt, you will be able to create, implement, and evaluate and lead. Six Sigma Master Black Belt, you can mentor BB, Black Belt, Green Belt, and Yellow Belt in Six Sigma methodology. As a champion, you can lead interpersonal and statistical skills. And as an executive, is the highest ranking executive, what you will do is, the responsibilities are the following. What are the following? Major corporate decisions you will make, manage overall operations, you will manage resources of the organization, act as a public face of the company, and communicator between board of directors and corporate operations. And the levels of belt, as I already told you, the white belt is basic understanding to appreciate Six Sigma efforts. And then yellow belt, you can assist green belts. And then now as a green belt at the end of the course, you will be effective team members and you can lead green belt projects within a division. Not multi-division, but in one department you can do it. And black belts, you can mentor GBs. You can come and do black belts. I'm sure that you will all do black belts with us. No doubt about it. At the end of the course, I'm going to see that all of you are going to be very happy with us. Now, master black belts, you can train, coach black belts and green belts, develop metrics and strategic directions. And finally, a champion sponsors, you can create deployment plan, identify individual projects, allocate resources, and remove roadblocks for the black belts to do the project. Decision-making tools, what are you going to do? Decision-making tools, you are going to learn. Communication methods, you are going to learn. And communication plan. Because, see, communication you might have done very well. But the thing is, if you communicate to a wrong person, it's of no use. It has recently happened even in politics, that communication was sent to a wrong person at the center. So that should not happen. Project planning, project management tools, basic statistics you learn. Please note, here is what RK will come into picture. And RK is going to commit to you that he will not teach you any mathematics, but you will learn mathematics. You will become an expert in mathematics. All the whatever requirements will be given to you at your fingertips so that you can be a master in decision making with numbers. And then measurement system analysis terms, hypothesis testing. All these things you will learn. And Lean Six Sigma tools also will be learning. What are they? Will do 5S systems, 7 ways, 8 ways I have written. 7 ways also this, 8 ways also is there. Both you will know. Value stream mapping, voice of customer, Kaizen, flow, and visual workspace. And 5S systems, you have sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain. All these will lead to a safety and productivity. And that is what is shown here as 6S. Now, 7 ways, Timwood is a term you can remember. Each letter stands for a word here: transport, inventory, motion, waiting, overproduction, overprocessing, and defects. I think, but our madam is going to explain to you 8 ways. One more extra will be there, and that you can remember using downtime, and that will be defects, over processing, waiting, non-utilized talent. That is an extra one. That is an 8th one added here. Transport, inventory, and motion and excess production. These are all the 8 words explained to will be explained to you by our madam. And is it popular? Six Sigma or Lean Six Sigma? Yes, it is popular. You can see here we have been running it for the past 1 year, and every time we are getting about 20 participants here, not only green belt but also black belt, and more than thousands in white belt and yellow belt. So it is becoming popular, and we are going to get benefit. Will it help me get a job, prosper in my life? If you are young, it is definitely going to get you a job. If you are elder, if you are already in a job, it is going to prosper in your life also, because you are going to learn a lot here for your lifetime. Is there a chance for improvement? Yes, because it is applicable in all industries. I'm showing you all the industries. All these industries are there. Where there is an output, there is a process. When there is a process, there is a variation. And Six Sigma is only to reduce the variation. So when there is a performance variation, there is a Six Sigma opportunity. The application of knowledge, how are you going to do it? How to reduce the variation, how to reduce the cost, how to increase the productivity, how to increase the revenue, and how to streamline a process. If you have,
sir, I'm not getting your voice, sir.
Oh, now? Hello?
Yes, sir, we are able to hear you.
Yeah.
Audible.
So
Audible,
you
sir.
are going to have this application of knowledge as how to reduce variation, reduce the cost, increase the productivity, increase the revenue, and streamline a process. And if you have all this knowledge, it will be helpful to your industry, and it saves training time and money for your industry, for your company. And efficiency increase, how are you going to achieve? You are going to decrease the defects and waste, eliminate the waste, methods, modernize the methods, modify the methods, factors, you are going to optimize the factors, and it's going to be a big bonus for your recruiting companies. And you are going to master the art of all these things. Positive change in you, you will have a team management skill, leadership quality you will achieve, better customer service you will provide, and higher sales you will achieve, and it will open new doors for higher positions, better opportunities, and greater job satisfaction of all. Difficult part is getting certified, and made it easy now because we are there. All the best. Have patience, practice, and do little hard work. If you have perseverance, a logical, analytical mind, a passion for improvement, a leadership skills, you will have all these phases. These are the phases you are going to learn: define, measure, analyze, improve, and control. In analyze, you are going to deliver a project charter. In measure, you are going to confirm the gap. And in analyze, you are going to validate the factors. And in improve, you are going to implement the project. And finally, you are going to hand over the project at the end of the control process. Now, define phase. This is very important. If you want, you can take a snapshot, but we are going to learn it thoroughly, all these 15 steps. There are 5 phases. There are 3 phases in each. There are 3 steps in each phase. And these are all the 3 steps. I'm just showing it to you. I'm not going to read it because you are going to learn it. So all these 15 steps you are going to learn. And then after learning all this, please, you can be confident that you will be learning and you will be implementing all the steps in your projects. And yellow belt, green belt, black belt steps are there. 3 dimensions of success. First of all, you have to have the mindset and culture. You have already got the mindset and culture. Your company also will have the mindset and culture, so that you can implement the DMAIC process, because process and methodology is very important. Therefore, you can get the success in consistently, right? And then tools and techniques are all the more important. The 3rd dimension of the success. All these things, if you achieve, then you reach the goal and you call it as a success, right? What does Six Sigma methodology focus on? All these things. But the thing is, it need not be all the things, because one may lead to automatically to other methodology. Therefore, all this will be focused on business strategy. Some people may not focus on anything but achieve everything, right? Free gifts, right? Though there are so many strategies there, you will learn all the strategies in our course. Thank you very much. Thank you. Over to Gopal Shivakumar.
Okay, thank you, Dr. RK, for giving a complete overview of what we are going to do.